Hello everyone, today I will show you how to recover deleted DMs on Instagram. And here's how it is done. First, open Instagram and tap on your messages in the top right corner. You can swipe left on any conversation and tap delete. A prompt will appear stating that this chat will be permanently deleted. However, if you have taken this step or deleted a specific message, there is a way to recover it. To do this, open the Facebook app. Next, tap on the menu icon located at the bottom right, followed by the gear icon at the top right. Scroll down until you see Download your information. Under your information section, tap on Continue and select Download or Transfer information. Here you can select Instagram from the list instead of Facebook. After that, hit Next and choose the types of information you want to recover. Scroll down and tap on Messages and click Next. Choose Download to device. Once it loads, you will see that it can compile all your messages, including any that were deleted. They will send you an email with a copy in HTML format or as a website link. You can also specify a date range, whether you want data from the past month, year, or all time. After making your selections, just tap on Create Files or depending on your version. Usually, within a few hours, you will receive an email with all the recovered messages from Instagram. That is everything you need to know about how to recover deleted DMs on Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.